Hi, my name is Watson Wu. I am a sound effects recording artist. I work on film, TV, and games. And what I'm known for are extreme sounds, such as gunfire, exotic cars, high performance cars. Things are really difficult to record in general. I really like ETS products, such as the InstaSnakes. It allows me to do long runs using Cat5e cables, shielded, and each of these cables will give me 4 channels with or without phantom power. For example, I was recording gunfire in the desert and we needed far distant shots, and I was able to get 300 feet cables, very low price, that were a lot lighter to pack to travel with, and they work. So I would feed this box to the microphones around the gunfire, for example, and then on the other side, where the other end of the Cat5e cable runs to, is this other InstaSnake with the pigtails attached. That way I don't have to bring a bunch of patch cables. So by using this other end of the Cat5 cable, I am able to do long runs and to plug all the microphones into my recorder. So these are very, very valuable for my work out in the field in the middle of nowhere. So I really appreciate the products from ETS. They make wonderful products, all made here in America.